So hello my friends, Devaun Lennox here, PhotographyPX. In today's video, I want to show you guys a vlogging example and some test footage of the Sony ZV-1, which I have right here. You will see the footage that comes out of this camera on the default settings, fully automatic mode. All I did was on the mode selector here, navigate over into the full program auto mode. So the camera is doing all of the adjustments of settings for me, recording in 4K, fully automatic settings, default color profile or picture profile. I'm not recording in Sony S-Log. All you're seeing here is the camera's native picture profile, native adjustments, and the camera controlling all the adjustments for you. There are two notes that I want to cover before we get into the clip. It was very windy outside, so you will definitely see my nose running at some point. I do zoom in pretty far to test the optical zoom on this lens, so I apologize for that. I'm just giving you a heads up before you get to that point of the video. So you will definitely notice that, so I'm just letting you know. Additionally, on this standpoint as well, we were in an area with copyright music, so in an effort not to get a strike on our YouTube channel and potentially risk our channel getting taken down due to copyright infringement, I'm not going to be showcasing the audio coming out of the built-in microphone because that has copyright music. So instead, I'm just going to overlay some music that doesn't have any copyright issues. So I apologize for that, but this will also give you an opportunity to focus on the video quality, the focusing on the camera, the white balance, the exposure, and all of those other parameters, not just the audio quality. But with those out of the way, let's get into the vlogging example for the Sony ZV-1. So there you have it, my friends. There is our vlogging example and test footage of the Sony ZV-1. I'm not necessarily a vlogger, so this is probably not the most insightful and eventful clip, but I still hope that it added some value and it gave you some insight on what the camera is capable of in the fully program auto mode, just literally handling everything for you. So all you have to do is just take out the vlogging grip, which I was using, and then just press the record button and you're off to getting amazing quality content. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the Sony ZV-1 while we still have this camera, let me know in the description box down below. Also, while you're down in the description box down below, we've released a new brand called pxpresets.com. PX Presets is going to be your next one and only stop for high quality Lightroom and other program presets such as Photoshop, Affinity Photo, and more as soon as we head over into those applications. But for the time being, Lightroom, desktop, and mobile presets. On pxpresets.com, you will find a selection of high quality presets in a variety of different genres ranging from food photography, children, newborns, fashion photography, weddings, and much, much more, all geared to upgrade your imaging and take your photos to the next level. If you're in the market for some high quality Lightroom desktop or mobile presets for your iOS and Android devices, please check out the link in the description down below and you'll be able to find more information. But until next time, my friends, I've been your host, Devaun Lennox, PhotographyPX.com. I will see you, my friends, in the next video.